oroma ilu. Zita. Zita, why didn't you put I from here? It came from English word. Okay, mine is oroma. Kedi hebu oroma. Jide, what is oroma?
Oroma
is what?
Watermelon?
Oroma is what?
No, I do not know.
Alright.
Which question I did not answer it.
Oroma. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. I want to lick an orange. Oroma. Ibechala. Alụchi agọzie m.
Have you seen the watermelon?
Sim, but I don't know. Oh, there is oroma. Oroma ilu. Okay. Oroma crazy again. Oroma ilu. Oroma ilu. Okay. This is a lemon. Oh, I'm writing what is on the screen. Where is Uncle Charles? Who am calling you so bullshit and tired for her? Well, now I need one. Sheki? Now I need one. Anyo miri. Anyo miri. Where? Where? To see ya ike. Say it louder. Zita, you're not saying anything. Anyo miri. Everything. Basara mkpụrụ osisi.
Oh, Jesus.
Can you talk back to make it more? Igopụta ihe niile I dere n'akwụkwọ gị.
Say ew.
Eh? Have you finished writing? I chere Nwada Zitara. Chere you go back and Okpo. Woya. Okpo. Okpo. Zita, don't just be writing. Can you please involve in everything we are doing? Do you hear me? Open your mouth and talk. Don't focus on copying, writing. When you write something that you cannot read, it doesn't make any meaning. Zita. Ngwakwe, okpo. This is called what? Cashew in English. Cashew. Okpo. Usie ya ike. Okpo. Cashew. Udara. That's Igbo cherry. Udara. You like udara?
Yes.
Okay. Udara. Zitas. Where udara? Udara. Can you do Igbo na udara? Cherry. Igbo cherry. This is cherry. Unere. Banana. Unere. Achọrọ m iri unere. Achọghị m unere. Kama achọrọ m anyụ mmiri. What is anyụ mmiri again? Anyụ mmiri. Watermelon. Chiagozie m daalụ. I mere nke ọma. Anyụ mmiri. Watermelon. Did I hope you're following? Are you following? Okay. Cucumber. Anyunda is called what in English? Cucumber. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ okpo? Chiagozie m imela. Unere. Kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ unere? Banana. Daalụ Shekina. Ube bekee. Without looking into your book. Ube bekee. Ube bekee.
Avocado.
Avocado. Daalụ. Oroma nkịrịsị. Oroma nkịrịsị.
Lime.
Are you asking me? Lime. If I answer them properly, you answer my question. Lime. Oroma ilu. Lemon. Jide, are you sure with us? Are you with us? Are you with us? You are with us. Okay, hope you're comprehending. You're comprehending. Dalo. Okay, anyonda. Cucumber. Oh, chimo. They won't need that. Anyonda. Cucumber. Man, we go move. Ngwananya. Jide. Nanya ibo nyai. Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee. See, let me tell you something, please. So, there's something you're going to do here. Before you start writing anything, before you start writing anything, you first of all do what? Look at the screen as you are doing what? Pronouncing the fruits. First of all, you identify the fruits, you see their names before you start writing. Don't just bend down and be writing. I'm talking to you because I'm talking about because of Zita. Do you hear me? Let's identify first, please. Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Apple. Now you can write. Achicha bekee. Apple. Achicha bekee. Apple. Achicha bekee. Apple. Ọ bụrụ na idecha ikwe edechala m. Daalụ nwada. Mere nke ọma. Edechala m. Daalụ Shekina. No, daalụ Eunice nwaka ego.
Edechala.
Daalụ Zita. Otuboala. Otuboala. Where?
Otuboala.
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 What is that? Tomatoes. Otuboala. Tomato. Did they like? Oh, people are ahead of me. Otuboala. Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato. Kedu ihe anyị kpọrọ achịcha bekee?
Avocado.
Kedu ihe anyị kpọrọ achịcha bekee? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị?
Apple.
Apple. Otuboala. Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato. Did I ignore it into me?
Are you good?
No, she's too. I didn't finish writing. You get child and Zita. Otuboala. Tomato. anyị na-anya na nke ọzọ nke na-asị akị bekee akị bekee akị bekee akị bekee coconut 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 achọrọ m ịta akị bekee achọrọ m ịta akị bekee akị bekee na-atọ ụtọ kedu ihe m kwuru? Very good. Thank you. Siki, you are already there. Aki bekee, coconut. Aki bekee, coconut. Maazị nwere ike for?
Yeah.
Strawberry. 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 That is strawberry. 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 Strawberry.
So.
Nke ọzọ dị ka nwanne ya nke a na-akpọ ugiri bekee ugiri bekee ugiri bekee mango ugiri bekee kwee ya ọzọ kwụsie ya ike kwụsie ya ike kpọọ ya ugiri bekee ugiri bekee achọrọ m ịnụ olu gị sita kwuo ya ugiri bekee ugiri bekee jide ugiri bekee mango
Okay. Felicidade.
Nye m ugiri bekee achọrọ m ugiri bekee ugiri bekee na-asọ ụsọ Dita ọ bụrụ na idecha igwe anyị na idechala anyị gaa n'iru ugiri bekee ugiri bekee daalụ nwada Dita
What is screw up?
You did? I know. Okay. You see right there. Did I want to? Let us ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot. Carrot. Nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot. Carrot. Nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot in English. Carrot. 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 That is carrot. 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 How many you get? Where the child? Carrot. Carrot. I can't call apple olu. Woya. Say after me, please. Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu.
English is what? Pineapple. Pineapple. Apple olu. Bless you. Yeah, that goes again. That is bless you. Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Pineapple. You have not seen that today.
Onion curry. How do you say we're going to Igbo?
Igbo. Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu.
Apple olu. Do you want to go to the bank?
You want to go to the toilet?
Okay,
go. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị, kwuo ya.
What?
Achọrọ m
ịnyụ
mamịrị.
I don't know.
No, this one, I haven't even seen us.
Okay. I'm going to go and cute bars.
Apple olu. Pineapple. Have you taken this down?
Yeah.
Is this the spelling of pineapple from the television? Check very well from the screen. Pineapple. Apple olu. Dịka anyị na-eche jide ka ọ pụta, ka anyị jụọ onwe anyị ajụjụ. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ube? Igbo pịa, daalụ, daalụ. Ube bekee. Okay. Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? I'm asking you what is oroma nkịrịsị? Chiagozie m, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Shekina, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Lime. Lime. Kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ oroma ilu? Lemon. Lemon. Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma ilu? Lemon. Daalụ. Oroma. Chiagozie m, kedu ihe bụ oroma? Orange. Thank you. Anyụ mmiri. Nwaka ego, kedu ihe bụ anyụ mmiri?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okpokpo. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ okpokpo? Zita, ị chọrọ ịgwa anyị ihe bụ okpokpo? Yes. Cashew, daalụ. Ịzara nke ọma. Ụdara. Chiagozie m, kedu ihe bụ ụdara? Chere ka mma na Chiagozie ma ọ ga-aza anyị. Chiagozie, kedu ihe bụ ụdara? Ụdara. Igbo cherry. I will come back to ask you again. Igbo cherry. Unere. Zita, gwa m ihe bụ unere. Banana, daalụ. Anyụnda. Ka ego kedu ihe bụ anyụnda? Kekemba. Daalụ, mere nke ọma, ịzara nke ọma. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee, kedu ihe bụ ugiri bekee?
Mango.
Mango. Mango. Strawberry. Strawberry. Carrot. Carrot. Aṅara.
Apple.
Aṅara. Jide. Kedu ihe bụ aṅara? Garden egg.
What?
Achịcha bekee.
Coconut.
Achịcha bekee. No, achịcha bekee is apple. Apple. Achịcha bekee. Apple. Say it. Achịcha bekee. Apple. Otuboala. Olee ihe anyị kpọrọ otuboala? Maazị, tinye that last slide.
Okay.
That fine. Otuboala. Tomato. Akwụolu. 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 Pineapple. Okay, I know about the last slide. Okay. Very fast. Be very fast. Very, very fast. I've counted. I've counted 1. Number 2.
I thought you were going to speak.
Otu. Abụọ. Chiagozie m. Abụọ na ọkara. That's 2.5.
So up to 3 seconds.
Welcome to IGBO.
Okay.
Line in.
Oh, it's from the speaker. No, it's not. From the other person.
Action. Onye isi ka ị dee n'akwụkwọ.
Yeah. So, here I'm all about with mkpụrụ isi dị iche iche. Ihe eji achọrọ wee malụ fatụ ya na achọghị n'ime ihe eweke sịfa ngwa mezie their own sentence. It should be 5 sentences with achọrọ, 5 sentences with achọghị. A message for this, I will come for food. A message for today.
Ngwa n'anya, look up please.
Ngwa lee n'anya na mkpịsị
Lee n'anya.
Lee n'anya na
Ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị. N'anya. We are going to have a class drill. So look up. I want to give you an example on how to write it in your book. Achọrọ m igosi gị etu ị ga-esi dee ya.
So after this class,
Your
after this class,
go now, go. Achọrọ m
see what's on the board?
Yes.
Good.
Achọrọ m ịta akpụ olu. I want to eat pineapple. I'm trying to give you an example.
So Auntie is making an example with achorum. I want.
I want.
Hmm.
Achọrọ m. Should I give you an example?
One, it's okay. Then achorum.
Achọghị m.
Here, in what space? Achorum. Can you make achorum?
Lime.
Sugar.
Lime. The little lime. Not lemon. Not orange. That's more that looks like tennis ball.
Yes.
Very sour.
And tasty as
Bitter.
for
I don't like it. Achọghị m ya. Now look at the ball. Achọrọ m ịta akpụ olu. I want to eat pineapple. Achọghị means I don't want. Achọrọ m, I don't want. Achọrọ m oroma nkịrịsị. I don't want lime. Now, in your own book, you are going to give us what? 5 examples with I want, achọrọ m, using different fruits. Zita, do you understand what I'm saying? You are going to write using I want, achọrọ m, n'asụsụ Igbo. Achọrọ m, using different fruits. Achọrọ m ịta akpụ olu.
the food. Are you done? Is the task hard? Fast. The fruits are there for you already. So keep picking them up one after the other. Achorum.
Like nwatakịrị ya dere ego o dere ụdara ụdara bụ n'ụlacha ka a na-aracha ọhụrụ so kedu ihe mmemme ya de ịracha n'ime ịracha idepụta ha na-abọbịa na-enye anyị ụta ofu ka ihe m na-akpọ ya spelling awa achọrọ m and ọ bụrụ na anyị ji akara wee differentiate ya all these sign I didn't really know it, so I don't know how to put those signs. Ọ na-etara ihe na-ekwu
Let me tinye the wrong thing.
ka anyị hapụ ya bit mana ị ma na ele ma we just read that achọrọ m ị ghọtara ihe mbụ achọrọ m nke ni achọrọ m so n'ife na differentiate in Igbo language bụ those akara ọ bụ na Mrs. Oh, don't do that.
She put her hand in my mouth.
Why?
Is that the way you
It
did your
was not
school?
a mistake. It was not a mistake. You
What?
stretched over and put your hand in my
Ngwa
mouth.
mchizie na ọnụ ozugbo.
Zola o ọ bụ na Mrs. Agatha ga-enwe ike tinyere anyị akara maka ọsọ nyewa ga-enwe ike differentiate nke a na nke
Anyị use achọghị m.
achọghị m kama ejizie maka use viral chenchi na akwụkwọ
Ngwa nke ọbụla.
maka onye ọzọ ebuo ya ọ na-asị ka ngwa naa ya jide nọdụ a. I'm coming na one side. Nọdụ a. Gwa gee ntị.
Listen up.
Gee ntị.
Auntie wants to make an observation on the board.
Gee ntị.
Gee
O nwere
ntị.
ihe m chọrọ ịgwa anyị. I want to tell you something. Achọrọ m ịta. I want to. Achọghị m oroma nkịrịsị means I don't want. If you look at these two words, it's the same spelling, isn't it? Elema will just pronounce it as achorom. In Igbo language, we have signs that we use, just like if you are doing Yoruba in school, you notice that they used to put those is tone. Achogem, achorom, awagem, all those things mean something. Okay, for us to be able to differentiate I don't want from I want, let's use achogem.
Achọghị m.
Achogem.
Can you quote me? Let's say it.
Achogem. Well, achogem. Just like yesterday, I noticed that most of you, we are giving the annual miri. What is annual miri? Watermelon. Some people say achogem. I don't want. Achogem. Sorry, I have to cancel it again. Achogem. I'll use my red barrel to correct for those of you that are finished. I'll correct for you.
Eta na ịracha.
Eta. Okay. Now we have eta means to eat or to chew, not eat, chew. Then we have iracha. Means to lick. There are fruits that you can chew or you can bite. While some, if you want, you lick it just like odara, the cherry. Do you bite cherry? What do? You lick it. Is it so? We have eta and we have iracha. So you can't say achorom eta odara. The right word there is what? Iracha. Iracha. Achorom iracha udara. Achorom iracha ube. Do you?
Okay, if you do, look at this fruit on the board. Oroma. Anaracha oroma or anato oroma. Do you eat oroma or do you lick oroma? Do you chew oroma or do you lick oroma?
I eat.
Hmm?
I eat.
So you're going to say achometa oroma. If you are saying you eat oroma, it means you want to say I eat oroma. Do you eat oroma?
What do? You lick or she said she licked.
Yeah, I lick orange or I drink orange because it is juicy.
You don't eat it.
You don't eat.
So like when you eat that, so it's just magically.
The refugees.
I eat that.
Okay. After her marking, we'll go to the last class for the day.
Can we enjoy?
Yes, I will.
Today's activity is fruits and food. No, I love food. Only food. Let me see.
One again. Charles, I don't know when I'm calling. Charles, you mess around with you. You didn't know any actual. I want. Sister writing, I don't want. Actually.
Maybe it was because of that format spelling. What do you call that format spelling?
Don't you wear a cause? Okay. Go to the top now.
I'm busy in food.
Okay.
They will use now more of actually.
Okay.
Okay, my only came on.
I want to correct something for you.
Okay, that's the next topic on the board.
Are you listening?
That's the next topic on the board. So,
did I have fun?
you don't buy good? Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. I want to thank you all for your resilience. And the goodness we ever see you from class watching Keta Galcoma. Nebu oge, I get a baranya, Nisioku, I call Guinea, Muri, Guinea, Muri, Guinea begin and call Guinea food. Okay? But then you're not Muri, food. Muri, food. That's our last topic for today. After this, we return back to our hostels. Go and have our personal time. Nri, food. Are we good? Ayadi njikere? Ayadi njikere? Okay. Nebu oge. Nke a na-akpọ ndukwu. Ka anyị kwuo nie? Ndukwu. Ka anyị kwuo nie? Repeat after me. Are you listening? Yes. Ndukwu. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? Good. Sweet what? Potato. Good. Nke a bụ ndukwu. This is what? Sweet potato. Nke a bụ ndukwu. This is what? Sweet potato. You can edit you are still writing the topic. Potato on Sunday, fried potato with egg sauce. Beautiful, good. So this is what we call nduku, sweet potato. So nkabu nduku, this is sweet potato. Nkozna bugini G beke. That's the next one. G beke, Irish potato. You have to be fast. Ogane do so. So good. Nduku sweet potato, G bekee Irish potato. Nke a bụ G bekee. Nke a bụ gịnị? G bekee. You're not writing. G Bekee. So you write the English translation. Irish potato. Irish what? Potato. So, nke a bụ G Bekee. Nke a bụ gịnị? G Bekee. Meaning what? This is Irish potato. Unu edechala? Unu edechala? Anyị aga na nke abụọ. We go over to the second one. Okay? To the second one. To this. Oh! Ngwa dị ọsọ nne m. They also. Right fast. Is that where you are? Should I stroll up more? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry? I hope you know we use this to make meat pie. Have you eaten meat pie? Have you eaten meat pie? We use this Irish potato to make meat pie. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. But we use this to do what? We can fry this, we can also cook it. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So, nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ. The next one we have is what? Osikapa. Okay, beautiful. Ngwa unu n'anya n'ihe onyonyo. Kedu ife ọ dị ka unu afụrụ n'ihe onyonyo a? Kedu ife ọ dị ka unu afụrụ n'ihe onyonyo a? Rice. Okay, good. Rice. Osikapa. Osikapa. Can we read this together? Ọzọkwakwa. Again. Again. Nke a bụ osikapa. Good. So, unu na-alụ ọ bụrụ na unu chọrọ iri osikapa, kedu ka ị si agwa nne gị na ị chọrọ iri osikapa? How best will you tell your mom, I want to eat rice in Igbo? No, when you are king, ọ bụ na ị malụ the answer, ị malụ ọzịzị ya. Nne m achọrọ m iri osikapa. Ọ bụ na nne gị si gị rapụ maka ike adịrọ. Mommy tells you, please leave me a message for you. Nne m biko nụ achọrọ m iri osikapa. Which other word again? Ezinne m biko achọrọ m iri osikapa. Beautiful. Okay. Nke ọzọ bụ nri ọka. Again, nri ọka. Again, nri ọka. Can we take this together? Nke a bụ nri ọka. Meaning what?
This is cereal.
Can I hear you?
This is cereal.
Again,
This is cereal.
take it from here.
Nkabu iri ọka.
Again,
Nkabu iri ọka.
nke a bụ nri ọka.
Nkabu iri ọka.
Not nri ọka. Nri ọka. Nke a bụ nri ọka. Take it, let's go. Nke a bụ nri ọka. This is what? Cereal. Ngwadenia. Ọ bụ na idesigosi edechala m. Oh, you are done? Na-ede ọsọ. Onye ka anyị na-eche? Okay, give me examples of other cereals. Give me examples of cereals you take at home. Are you done? We're waiting for you. Give me, yes, let me hear you. Cornflakes. Keep writing. That's good. That one. Yes. Golden Moon. Cocoa Pops. Coca-Cola. Ayaganozo. Oh. Gioko. Can we say this?
Gioko.
Again? Gioko. Meaning what? Meaning what?
Plantain.
Good. Meaning what?
Plantain.
Gioko. Can we say that again?
Gioko.
Gioko. Nnam, achọrọ m iri jioko. Dada, my aunt, achọrọ m iri jioko. Nne m, achọrọ m iri jioko. Nke a bụ jioko. This is plantain. Ngwa ka anyị na-anya n'akụkụ nke a. Jide. Ngwa gụpụtala anyị ya. Can you read this out?
Na ofe.
Take it easy. Take it by syllable. Number 2 syllable. Beautiful. So let's pronounce how many syllables do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Let's pronounce it together. Utara. Again. Utara. Again. Utara. So let's go back to the board. Okay. Utara na gịnị?
Utara.
Uh-huh.
Ofe.
Beautiful. And what does it mean?
Swallow and soup.
Swallow and what? Soup. Utara na ofe. Anyị erigo utara na Igbo summer camp. Anyị erigo utara na Igbo summer camp. Kedu oge anyị riri utara na Igbo summer camp? N'ehihie taa. Ọ dị mma. Ezigbo nwa jisi ike. So nke a bụ what? Nke a bụ gịnị? Jioko, plantain. Nke a bụ utara na ofe, swallow and soup. Okay. And finally you go home. You're so famished, so hungry. And the first person you met at home, maybe your uncle came to pick you up from here, not your mom or dad. Your uncle actually came to pick you up here. And finally you're meeting your mom at home, and you feel like taking this. How best will you convey this message to your mom? Achọrọ iri ụtara na ofe. Good. But there was something she said. I don't know. Enwere ife anyị na-akpọ achọrọ m na gịnị? All of you stand up. Stand up. Dịka onye nkụzi si wee kụziere anyị nwere ife anyị na-akpọ gịnị? Ya na gịnị? Achọrọ m, ya na gịnị? So achọrọ means what? Achọghị means what? Beautiful. Nne m agụụ na-agụ m. Mom, I am hungry. But your mom will ask you, kedu ife ị chọrọ iri? Ị ga-eri ụtara na ofe? Kedu ife ya aza nne? Remove it from your waist. Okay, you are hungry. After the Super Summer camp, you go home and you are so hungry and you are meeting your mom at home and you are telling your mom, Mom, nne m ezigbo agụụ na-agụ m. Someone will tell you, Igeri, will you eat otara na ofe? Will you eat swallow and soup? Can it be a prayer? What will you respond to your mom? No. What's this? N-double-N-E. Name. Yes? I saw him. Iri. Achicha. Abacha. Abacha. Achicha. Abacha. What's achicha? Nonu beke. Zam. Kedifebo achicha. No, bread. Read the sentence beneath it. What's the translation in English? This is bread. Good. You got back home after the IGBO summer camp, and mom is not at home, and the only person you found at home is, look at the board, Eunice. D-A-D-A means what? I can't hear you. Auntie. Auntie is at home. Oh, you're so hungry. So how best will you communicate with auntie that you want to eat? Achorom achicha. Beautiful. Sit down. Follow me, Aka. The next one is abacha. And that goes to Chigozie. Chigozie. What's this? Abacha. So you can see that abacha doesn't have an English name. So abacha is what? Abacha is what? Abacha. Can I hear you? Abacha is what? Abacha. You're distracted. Stop that you are doing. And get ready for after him, you are the next person. Good. Abacha doesn't have what? An English name. So abacha is what? Abacha. Beautiful. This AI abacha, eh? How do you? What's fine? Spaghetti in a piece. How do you? It's okay. Take it out on a lighter note. Abacha. Okay. Chigozie, let's have you read this sentence. Not unkabu. Can I hear you say unka? Oh, beautiful. Again, take it again. Again? Nkabu abacha. What's the translation in English? This is what? Abacha. Okay. Irinuga abacha. Have you eaten abacha before? How does it taste? It tastes nice, beautiful. Would you like to eat it in IGBO summer camp? You can like iri abacha na IGBO summer camp. Okay, all them one. Okay. So look at your question. Chigozie. Look at your question. The director of the camp is Unyemazi. I hope you know that. You've been seeing her name everywhere, isn't it? Unyemazi. And all of a sudden you open the menu list. You went to the camp handbook. You went for abacha adiro near. Mama Marcelo or Noga Masigi iri abacha na IGBO summer camp. How best will you communicate to Unyemazi that you want to eat abacha? Listen, I'm hearing ochoro. There's no O there. Look at it. A sound what? Beautiful. Achoro, iri, gini, abacha. Or you say, achoro, eta, abacha. Come me aka. Good. You've answered well. Good. You can have your seat. Baby girl, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, we'll take the next one. Are we good? Wow, this is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. During our this word, J-I, is what? G, which means what? Yeah. I really G. Can I really? I really got in a Igbo summer camp. Have we eaten yam in Igbo summer camp?
Yes.
We've eaten yam. That was when? Last night. Now banana yam, isn't it? Aha. Look at your question. You were served. Are you listening? Ebunyerogu G. Iwe Risia. Manoka na goge. You were served yam. After eating, you wanted some more. You're getting it. Say it. Acharon. G. Beautiful. Can you call me Aka? Biko Acharon. G. Good. Okay. This okay? G. Apple. Can you read this? Good. A lot of food from cassava, such as what? Number one, abacha. What about gari? Yam. Beautiful. So we call it ready for the question. Good. Are you ready for the question? Kedu ife di iche?
Cassava is longer and yam is shorter and thicker.
Good. And what about this?
Wait, I have a question.
Okay, I'm listening.
You said yam comes from cassava. Isn't the two all the same thing?
They are not the same thing, okay? We can also prepare this to be eaten as yam. And that's why they look as if they share the same name. G, apple. Okay? Beautiful. So, is there any other difference you observe? Okay, can I help you out? Okay? Can I help you? Should I help you out? Okay, beautiful. From this G apple, from this cassava, we can get other things such as 1 or 2. Gari. G. Fufu, yes, that's apple. G apple. Good. And finally, we can also get what? Abacha from it. Please give me a round of applause. You have done excellently well. Okay? Wow, this is one of my best food. This is one of my best food. And I think that was what my friend ate that made his stomach so big. Chico say, you can write now. How many of you like this? You know we're going to eat okpa in Igbo summer camp?
I've never tasted it.
You are going to taste it this time around. Igbo summer camp has a lot to offer.
Yes, good.
Okpa. Can I hear you say okpa? Okpa. Nke a bụ what? Nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ gịnị? Okpa.
Stop his cash flow.
Down.
A little.
Nke a bụ okpa. Okay. Can I help us to pronounce this?
Fio.
Yes, let me hear you. Foi. Okay. Let me hear you. I don't want to laugh. Don't start coughing.
Isn't it fio?
Fio. Jide, can you try pronouncing this?
Fio.
Fio. It's okay, good. right pronunciation is what? Fear, fear. Can I hear you say fear, fear?
Fear, fear.
Fear, fear.
Fear, fear.
Fear, fear.
Fear, fear.
So not free, free, from, free. As if you are playing whistle. All those ones are sounds of whistle. Like people who are doing athletics. On your mark, let's go. Free, free. They move. Okay? So, let's get a powerful beginning. Fear. Can you burn your zone?
Fear, fear.
Can you burn your zone?
Fear, fear.
What is spectacular about this food is that they don't have English name. Can you see that? Opa Ewero Aho Igbo. It doesn't have an English name. Fear. Ewero Afa Oyibo. So, I know Ponka Opa. How many of them from Enugu State? I think this is their food. Opa de Oko. Opa Nightman. Good. Opa and what? Fear. That's good. Oh, these are one of my best food.
I like adoboda.
Hey, wait. I've heard azu. Azu. Come on, here say azu. Azu. Can you see that? Azu. And there is azu. Azu means what? Your back. Can I hear you say azu? Azu. So when you hear azu, you are talking about what? Fish. When you hear azu, they have the same spelling, but different what? Pronunciation. What do we call that in English? Is this synonym or antonyms? Words that sound alike? Sorry, words that sound differently, but have the same spelling. That is synonyms. Beautiful. Good. So, azu. So, by the pronunciation, you will know what we're talking about. Okay? So, you know, azu, you know we are talking about our bag. Somebody touch your bag. Meto azu gaka. Azu. Okay? Then this is what? Azu. What do we use this to do? What class of food is this?
Protein.
They're protein. These are proteinous food. Okay, Jide? Are you with me? I said these are proteinous food. Okay? Good. Azu. The English name is what? Fish. The next one is what? Anu. Yes. Anu. Yes. Zikora. Are you here with us? This is what? Anu. Beautiful. And that is what? Meat. Okay. Obuna eka. When say na azu, when you again, if you prefer fish, can I see your hands up? For me, I prefer fish to meat. Good. Okay, obuna eka when say na anu, when you again. Hey. Go to. Even your leg too.
Which one is your bird? Fish.
Okay, good. Okay, otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ. Mmadụ na-anọ na klaasị anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa si na faka wee nwee mmasị na gịnị na anụ karịa azụ. About 4 persons in our class today declared interest that they prefer meat to what? To what?
Fish.
To fish. Good. The next one we have agua. 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 Yes. Agua. Agua. That's beans. Agua. In our morning class, we also looked at agua too. I hope you know. Colors are called what? Agua. I hope you know. We looked at agua di chiche, different colors. Okay? Aha. So you will discover that they are of the same sounds. Sorry, they are of the same spelling, but different what? Sounds. Okay? This is what? Agua.
What is
Beans. Yes, this is beans. Nke a bụrụ gịnị? Moi. You see, moi has no English name. Nke a bụ gịnị? Moi. Ọkwa site na agwa ka esi enweta moi. I hope you know we get our moi from our beans.
Yes.
Even akara. From what? Yes, beans. So, your moi, your akara, they are all gotten from what? Beans. So, when they together, when they chala. Ọzọ, akwa, that's egg. Akwa, nke a bụ akwa, this is egg. Nke na n'akụkụ abụrụ gịnị? Akara. Nke anyị tara n'ụtụtụ a. Akara. It looks like cookies.
Yes, it looks like cookies. With onions just by the side.
Yeah.
I like this thing. And those eggs look too.
Okay. Akwa. Akara. Nke a bụ akwa, this is akwa, egg. Nke a bụ akara, this is akara. So akara doesn't have an English name. Some person will say it is a steamed bean. Some persons will call it a bean cake. Some person will call it a beans pudding, and the rest of them. But now we are teaching that akara has no English name. Akara bụ afọ Igbo ya, and all akara ka eji wee mara ya. Akara. Anyị desigo? Unu edechala? Ngwa dị ọsịsọ. Ndị ka na-ede nde ọsịsọ. If you're still writing, please write fast. Ngwa. Ọzọ bụ gịnị?
Mmanya. Mmiri.
Okay, mmanya, mmiri. You will now discover again that ị ga-afụ na ndị ọzọ mana nke a na-eri mmanya eri. Do we eat drink?
No.
A na-eri mmanya eri. Unu ga-asị m mba. A na-eri mmanya eri.
Mba.
A na-eri mmiri eri.
Mba.
Kedu ife a na-eme mmanya? How do we take drink?
Drink.
So, ngwa sụọ ya n'Igbo. Kedu ife a na-eme mmanya?
How do you say lick in Igbo?
Hey.
I mean drink.
How do you say drink in Igbo? Okay, I have a drink to give someone in this class. Good. An uncle presents this drink. Listen up.
That's Coca-Cola.
Hmm? Yes, this is my drink. Just like this. Drink. Mmanya. So if I have mmanya, I want to tell uncle that you want this drink. So how best will you tell uncle?
Where's my
Go to the back.
I have no clue.
You have no clue? What happened to this? Achọrọ m ime gịnị? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Again? Beautiful. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Beautiful. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. So, anara ata mmanya ata, anara ata mmiri ata. Kedu ife a na-eme mmanya? na-aṅụ mmanya. Ngwade n'anya ka dede okezie wee ṅụọ mmanya. So look at me as I take my drink.
You're making me jealous.
I don't say you don't like American glass.
I like it. You want to be that.
It tastes good. Also.
Please put in my hand.
Say it in Igbo.
I beg you. I beg you, put in my hand.
Say it in Igbo.
Please don't look.
What is put in my hand in Igbo? Okay. I start thinking about it as we round up this class.
Can I say it in French instead?
Is this French summer camp? People are beginning Igbo summer camp. Somebody chọrọ ịnata maazị Okezie Ife ị ga-akaba arụ sụọ ya n'Igbo. Okay, so round up this class with a class tax. Okay? We are looking at using this word. Just like our first tax, today are you with me? We are using the word achorom. Achorom. And what? Show him. Achorom and what? Show him. Achorom nagene acho him. Okay? Achorom and what? Acho him. I want. I don't want. Achorom nagene acho him. Okay. 5 sentences with achorom and 5 sentences with what? Acho him. 3, 2, 1, start. With the food we just treated now. With the food we just treated, start.
Make 3 sentences.
This is the number of sentences I've asked you to make. 5 here, 5 here. Total of 10. Start.
5 sentences.
Achorom. And you make 5 sentences with what? Acho him. Acho him means what? I don't want. Achorom. Agwa. Acho him. Moi moi. But all the whole of achorom has to come first. Achorom, 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 achorom. You leave a line and start. Acho him, acho him, acho him, acho him, acho him. See who finishes first. I might have a point. Start. So you have the food already written inside of your book. You can also use this word, okay? Achorom ịṅụ mmanya, okay? Achọghị ịṅụ mmiri. I don't want to drink water, but I want to drink what? I want to drink what? Maya, that's drink. I want to take some drink. I want to take juice. I want to drink juice. Okay? So we move. Five sentences with achorom and 5 sentences with achohim. Achorom, achohim. Achorom, Achohim. Is it for you? So if this is your book, when you get back to the hostel, you can just start completing this, okay? Like, if it's for me, you can come and say, Afambo, that again, okay? Add them out for with your age, AC, okay? Come on, do the class, so you can even all these things are here already. Actually, data achicha. You know they were here before? Hmm? Arioku. Actually, data about. Actually, iriki apple. You did a hard job. You did a hard job. So go complete it. Okay? Make 5 sentences with Achorom and make 5 sentences with Achohim. Wants to write it? And you just go. You can
Down.
what?
Put it down.
Up. So when you get to the place you want to actually, let me know. That's the first slide. Let's start. This. Achorom, Achohim, Achorom, Achohim. Idechala. Jide? Idechala. Well, you pass the apple game. Don't submit your book. Should I stroll? Did they come from? Let me see. Abanyoma, like I must go. One on a guy minute. GBK. No, sweet potato. Nduku. Nduku. What's that mean? Why are you using English word? I'll tell Auntie to ask you to go and write from beginning. You don't use English. We are teaching you Igbo language. It's supposed to be written in Igbo language, not English. We're not writing achorum fish, achorum yam. It's supposed to be what? Achorum azu. Irish potato with GBK. Okay, Bennett, Mechi. Onye wanyi. Repeat after me. Onye wanyi. Nare ekele. Maka ihe mmụta anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. You're not talking. Maka ihe mmụta anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. Gọzie onye nkụzi anyị. Gọzikwa anyị ụmụ akwụkwọ. Na Jesus. Amen. Well, Kodi. Mazi Okezie Kodi. Oriakụ Oge Kodi.
In the evening we say, where Doma, where Doma, evening we say, where Doma, where Doma. n'akwụkwọ.
handbook.
Okay.